Newsflash, it's Parole Attorney TV. I'm Attorney Terry Henderson Peden of the Law Group of THP. Wazam. I know a lot of y'all know what this page is. This is where you can go and check to see if your loved one had been granted or denied parole in their last hearing, and if so, on what basis. So as you could see, kind of what we talked about the other day. Y'all in class, man. Get your notebook. But what we were talking about the other day with the different types of parole votes. So I got a call from one of my clients' family members, hit me up and was basically, hey, have you got the good news? And I was like, nah, what? I check this case all the time. Sometimes a parole vote might take, it could take you 2, 3, 4 months before you get a yes or no from the board, especially if you're dealing with a capital case as this one was. And that's because you're not just voted on by a parole panel at one of the 7 different board offices. Instead, you're voted on by all the board members from the different 7 regions, and you have to get a 5 out of 7 vote. So by the grace of God, my client right here got at least that 5 out of 7 vote. Check him out though. Check him out with that FI1. So that means as soon as they processed everything, and like what his family member hit me up about was basically that they had went by his home plan and verified the fact that it was a legitimate address, and that it wasn't anything that was going to throw off his ability to be able to parole to that location. And that person told him that basically his parole had been granted. Told his family members that. And actually, I'm going to bring him on the show. Capital case, 16 years old, been down since 1984, man. It's a beautiful thing to be able to help somebody regain their freedom, and also just add context to their situation and what actually happened. So, we just trying to help guys walk off their unit, man. We walking them off the unit, baby. Open them gates up. It's the Law Group of THP. If you're looking for somebody to help your family member, loved one in the state of Texas or in Alabama regain their freedom through the parole process, hit me up. And it'd be a pleasure and an honor to help represent your loved one and get them back out here. 334-544-9471 is the quickest way to get in contact.